Palestinians, but instead over reforms proposed by the Netanyahu government, reforms which many Israelis believe would undermine the country's democracy. The economy is still ripping along. The conflict seems a long way off.
Outside of New Orleans and Louisiana, Matthew and I grew up outside of Kansas.
The first time.
An arrangement by Vaughan Williams of Bach's chorale prelude based on the hymn tune Ach bleib bei uns, Herr Jesu Christ, played for us in that recording.
1,000 Palestinians killed. Jane, we've pinpointed inflection points over this series. The Balfour Declaration and hard on its
Waves. You couldn't think of one. No.
1967 war. It's still fresh, but you must have wondered where October the 7th and the war that followed it sit.
The players that they're good enough to win the 3 matches they probably need to win to have a chance of staying up.
Yeah, I think it's really...
issue back centre stage. Jeremy's talked about that. We know that the Saudis potentially were going to come on side, if you like, with the Israelis. And Hamas